Am either for breaking a promise and getting a motorcycle. I 21 broke up with my girlfriend of 2 years a month ago. I had already gotten my motorcycle license before beginning dating her and had expressed a desire to get one. She thought it was a bad idea because of how unsafe it was and begged me to promise her I won't get one. I agreed as to not worry her. After we broke up, I decided to get a motorcycle. She reached out to me after hearing about it from mutual friends and said I was an for breaking my promise. I don't think I did break the promise because I think it's predicated on us being together. Once we're together, her not wanting me to have a motorcycle doesn't matter anymore. She disagrees and thinks I'm TA,